Alright, so we're going to jump right into this. So I'm going to be using the Apogee 3-part treatment, and it starts off with the shampoo. So this is what the wig looks like. Now, I have not even worn this wig. I just constructed it, and the hair already looks matted and trashed. So we're going to try this shampoo and see how it works. So immediately after I rinsed the shampoo out, I felt a difference in the hair. It wasn't a huge difference, like it wasn't super silky smooth or anything, but you could definitely tell that it was softer. So if you do have damaged hair, I definitely suggest this shampoo. I don't know if you would need the whole treatment, but the shampoo definitely worked. Alright, so the second step is the protein treatment. Now this comes out very liquidy, and then when it dries, it's rock hard, so you cannot like comb through the hair after it dries. So I distribute it through the hair, I comb it through with a wide tooth comb, and then I used a hair dryer to dry it. Now it says on the bottle you can go under a like overhead dryer, but I don't have one of those. I have a bonnet dryer, and the reason I didn't use that is because it says on the bottle do not cover. So I just decided to use a hair dryer because it says on the bottle the alternative is to use the hair dryer, so I just did that. And it did take a while. I'm not sure if it's because I put too much on the hair, but it definitely took a while to dry. But when it was dry, like I said, it was very, very stiff. And then after it dried, I just rinsed it out. You don't shampoo it out, you just rinse it out. So this is me drying the hair with a hair dryer. And it was on medium heat. So the final step is this moisturizer right here. And you put this on after you rinse out the protein, and you leave this on for 2 minutes. I left it on for about 5. I don't know if that makes a difference or whatever, but I left it on for 5 minutes. And this does not make the hair stiff or anything, it just re-moisturizes it. I think it's supposed to like seal the hair to keep the protein in the strands. And then I comb that through, and then I rinse it out. Once again, you don't shampoo it out, you just rinse it out with warm water. And now I'm going to be spraying this Ion Smooth Keratin spray on it, and I'm going to comb that through and let it air dry. Now of course you have the option to use the heat product to get the hair straight, but I figured this is damaged hair already, so the less heat I use the better, so that's why I just let it air dry. Alright Alright guys, so this is the final product right here. Now, even though it still has a lot of body, you can still feel that it's dry. The protein treatment worked, but I might have to do it again or something. I don't know. I'm just convinced that this hair is not 100% human hair. Now, I have ordered from Violet Hair before. I've actually ordered twice before, and it just seems like the quality has progressively gotten worse. So I first ordered some really long bundles. I think they were like 18-20 inches, and I used it to make a wig. I used semi-permanent color on it to make a blue wig, and the hair was fine. And then I purchased some more to make my gray wig, and the ends were really bad, like they were split and dry and brittle. So I had to cut the ends off of my gray wig, and now this one was only like 12 inches, I believe, and the whole bundle, like all of the bundles, were pretty crappy. Now, like I had said before, this frontal is reused, so that's why it's a little dry, but I know this is 100% human hair. This frontal feels a lot better than it did before, but the bundles still have a coarseness to them. Now, I haven't done anything to this hair. I let it air dry, so this is what the hair looks like in its natural state, but you can definitely see a lot of the dark hairs in there. And that's one of the reasons I don't think this is real human hair. And then number two, it's because I hadn't even worn the wig yet. I had just co-washed it and, you know, deep conditioned it, and it had turned into straw. So this is some real low quality hair. I will not be purchasing from Violet Hair anymore. I'm going to go back to my AliExpress vendors. Which is kind of sad because I thought, you know, I had found something. But like I said, just the more I've ordered it, the less the quality has gotten. So I am going to be selling this wig on my Poshmark. It's going to be severely discounted because of the quality of the hair. But I mean, it's still pretty color. It's just really high maintenance. Let me put it on for you. Now, I'm not going to cut the lace because I am selling it, and I am going to be adding an elastic band, but I mean, it's okay or whatever. It's not anything to rave about. I do love the color. I'm just going to do it on a different wig because this hair is kind of crappy. But the Apogee definitely works, even though this hair is, you know, not at its best. But like I said, I think it's just because of the quality of the hair. But I am going to be using that Apogee on some of my other wigs that I might overprocess in the future. We'll see. I don't know. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Sorry about my hair. I haven't combed it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I am going to be rolling out with some more hair videos, a few makeup videos, but I've been really into wig making lately. So you're probably going to be seeing a little more hair videos than your makeup. I hope that's okay. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!